Guys, and welcome back to another session on SLDC Rocks 24/7. In today's session, we are going to talk about different types of SLDS icons, how to find the right icon for your use case, and their basic implementation in LWC components. So let's get started. Icons are categorized into four groups, which are utility icons, doc type icons, standard and custom icons, and action items. Let's get a basic understanding of each type of these icons. We'll start with the utility icon first. Icons are type of icons which are single colored and are identified with some kind of action forms on an interface. For example, as you can see in the screen, we have icons like bookmark, announcement, call, add. These kind of icons are used to capture users' interaction on the screen, based on which we can fire some events on the background. The second type of icons we are going to talk about is doc type icons. As the name suggests, these type of icons are used to represent a particular document type, for example a CSV, an audio file, or an HTML file. So if you have a use case where you want to show a particular document, LWC components, you can use doc type icons. Standard and custom icons are used to represent custom and standard objects in Salesforce. If you want to represent a particular object, you can find the right kind of icon from the standard and custom icons and then use that in your component. Action items, almost similar to the utility icons, but they have some basic differences. As you can see, they have some colors and they have different utilities based on the different devices and the actions that you want to perform in your component. So this is just a basic overview of different type of icons in SLDS. Next, we are going to dive deep into how to search for these icons and how are we going to implement these icons in our LWC component. To start using SLDS icons, you must first visit this website lightningdesignsystem.com, and then on the left hand panel you can click on the icons. This will give you different types of icons and you can search for any specific icon that you want to use in your use case. For example, let's say I want to use for a notification icon. I can search for notification in this search box, and this will give me all the different types of icons that are available under these icon groups. You can just select the icon name and use them in your LWC components. To start utilizing these icons in your LWC component, start using the lightning icon tag, and go to my VS Code and show you an example. The lightning icon tag, and then populate the icon name parameter with the name of the icon that we want to use. Give it a name first and degree of the icon and then the name of the icon. Let me show you that with an example. Here we are using a utility icon called add, and we have used the category name by a semicolon and then the icon name. We can also specify the size of this icon. We want to show icon of different categories. We can use the lightning icon tag, and in the icon name we can give the category name, semicolon, and then the icon name. I have used one icon from each icon type, and then let me save this code and deploy our code in the Salesforce. Once the code is deployed, and you can see all the icons visible in the UI, and this is how your icons look implementing it in your LWC component. So this is how you are going to implement SLDS icons in your LWC component. Just remember to use this lightning icon tag. Then inside the icon name, we have to give the category name first, followed by a semicolon and then name of the icon. You can find the name of the icon from lightningdesignsystem.com and you can search the icon name here. For example, I've searched for alarm and I'm getting these options. So the icon that I want to use, I will simply copy the name of the icon and identify the category that this icon belongs to. So this clock icon belongs to the utility icon type. I will simply go to my LWC component and give the category name first, semicolon, and then the name of the icon. The name of the icon, I can simply copy it from here and then paste it over here and then save it. Let's deploy this. Successful deployment. Let me refresh my page to see the changes. As you can see, the icon got replaced with the latest change in the code that we just made. So this is how we are going to search and utilize SLDS icons in our LWC component. Go through this detailed article which talks about how to implement these icons and also gives you a code snippet which you can copy and paste within your Salesforce instance. If you find this session very useful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for such informative videos. Thanks for watching.